never experienced a man or a human being teaching her or teaching Tommy. They have always studied through mechanical teachers. Well, he just told the boys and girls things and gave them homework and asked them questions. A man isn't smart enough. Now see, this conversation is going on between Margie and Tommy, and they are discussing about how human beings can become teachers. A man isn't smart enough. Sure he is. My father knows as much as my teacher. My father knows as much as my teacher. This shows that he is trying to prove, Tommy is trying to prove that human teachers, human beings as teachers also know as much as mechanical teachers do. He knows almost as much. I betka. Betka means I bet. I bet. Margie wasn't prepared to dispute that. Margie was not in a mood to enter into any argument. Margie wasn't prepared to dispute that. She did not show any disagreement to that because she did not want to say directly or indirectly that Tommy's father knew less and the mechanical teacher knew more. She did not want to enter into this debate or this argument. She said, I wouldn't want a strange man in my house to teach me. Tommy screamed with laughter. You don't know much, Margie. The teachers didn't live in a house. They had a special building and all the kids went there. Now, Margie says that she did not want any stranger or a human being she did not know to come to her house and teach her. Why did she say this? Because till now she did not have any idea that the human beings as teachers did not come to the house of the child to teach, rather they went to the schools to teach. Now Tommy is telling her that Tommy is laughing and telling her that the teachers did not live in the house of the student. They used to have a special building which was known as the school, and the kids went there to study, the teachers went there to teach. And all the kids learned the same thing. Now, Margie is very surprised and she is asking with curiosity, all the kids learned the same thing. She was so surprised to know this, that all kids went in the same school building and all were taught the same thing. Why was she so shocked, so surprised? Because she has never been to such a school. She has never been she was not familiar to such a system of teaching. She was always sitting in her own room, which was in her house only, and the mechanical teacher used to teach her. She was not at all familiar with this method of teaching. Sure, if they were the same age. Tommy says that yes, all were taught the same thing if they were of the same age. But my mother says a teacher has to be adjusted to fit the mind of each boy and girl it teaches, and that each kid has to be taught differently. Now, Margie is again sharing her knowledge about what she knows the teacher is. She says that her mother tells her that the teacher has to be adjusted according to the intelligence of the child, as you have just seen that the mechanical teacher of Margie was adjusted according to the level of a 10-year-old student, average 10-year-old student. So this is how she believed that the teachers had to be adjusted according to the mind, according to the intelligence of every boy and girl. And each kid had to be taught differently, because according to her, the students had different mental level and each teacher had to be adjusted according to the mental level of every student. She was saying all this, again the reason is that she had no idea at all how the students studied in the same school building, through the same teachers, sitting in the same classroom and studying the same textbooks. Just the same, they didn't do it when I am reading this again. Just the same, they didn't do it that way then. If you don't like it, you don't have to read the book. Tommy says, now Tommy is a bit irritated, and he says that if you think you are not liking this book, if you don't want to read about the school, if you don't want to read this book, then keep it away. Don't read. I didn't say I didn't like it, Margie said quickly. She wanted to read about those funny schools. They weren't even half finished when Margie's mother called. Margie, school. Margie looked up. Not yet, Mama. Now, said Mrs. Jones, and it's probably time for Tommy too. She says that it is time for Tommy also to go and study. It's the school time now. Margie said to Tommy, can I read the book some more with you after school? Maybe, he said nonchalantly. Nonchalantly means showing less interest, not showing much interest or enthusiasm. Margie says Margie is now a bit interested in this strange book, and she is saying that when the school is over, can I read the book with you? Can I continue to read the book with you? So the answer of Tommy is maybe. Although he is not very much interested in letting Margie read the book again, but he said maybe. Okay. Now children, I am stopping here. In our next class, we will continue the chapter and see what happens later, how the chapter comes to an end, and then we will do the question answers. Please keep a rough copy and a pen or pencil with you. Majority of the answers we will do in the copy, but some answers we will do in the book only if they are one word answers or one line answers. Okay, so pencil should be with you so that the answers which we are doing in the book you will write side by side. Thank you very much. Have a nice day.